What is sound? Sound is vibrations. Any sound that reaches our ears are essentially different waves of vibrations. The stronger the vibration intensity, the louder the sound. An example of a vibration is when we press the piano keys. The piano strings will create vibrations which are then heard by our ears. Think about the different sounds that are out there. Animals, waterfalls, volcanoes, or just cars. These are all vibrations. When you think about it, everything around us produces some sort of noise. Take us humans for example. Human produces sound using our voice box located within our throats. The voice box contains two vocal cords, which have a path between them so air can pass. When air passes through the gaps between the vocal cords, vibrations occur, which creates sound. Fun fact, some singers can control their vocal cords in order to create different sounds. They do this by tightening or loosening the muscles around the vocal cords. You can combine different sounds with different environments to create unique sounds. Take our voice and nature for example. Have you ever heard of an echo? An echo occurs when we hear a sound being repeated after it was said. An echo is created when sound waves bounce off a hard surface, causing them to reach your ears again. An echo is usually heard on top of mountains or tunnels, since there are many hard surfaces which sound waves can bounce off of. Cool fact, mammals such as dolphins, whales, and bats use echoes in order to navigate. They use sound waves and see if there are any objects near them. If no echo is heard back, it means that the coast is clear. Echoes help these mammals navigate through the dark oceans and dark caves. How does sound travel? Sound travels in the form of waves. When vibrations occur, they cause particles in the air to move. The air particles keep bumping into each other, causing a wave to form. When the air particles move at a faster speed, we hear a higher volume of sound. When the air particles move at a slower speed, we hear a lower volume of sound. This wave then reaches our ears and we can hear the sounds. Sound waves can travel in all sorts of different directions from the source of the sound. As sound waves cover a great distance, the vibration intensity can lessen the further away you go from the source of the sound. For example, if you play the guitar upstairs on the second floor, your brother that's next to you will hear the song loud and clear, but your sister in the living room will not hear the guitar because she is far away from the source of the sound. Sound waves can't travel in a vacuum space. A vacuum space is the absence of air. Sound can only travel through mediums such as air, water, and solids. How fast do sound waves travel? The speed of sound waves in air is around 1,200 kilometers an hour. The speed can differ in different mediums. Sound can travel faster in solid mediums compared to liquid mediums. Sound can travel faster in liquid mediums compared to gaseous mediums. Now let's learn more about our ears, since the ears are a very important part in how we hear sound. The ear consists of 3 layers: outer, middle, and inner ear. All 3 are important in moving the sound waves along. There are also other parts in the ear that help with hearing sounds. As sound enters the ear's layers, it will eventually reach the cochlea. The sound waves will stimulate the hairs inside the cochlea, which are connected to the auditory nerve. The nerve then sends signals to the brain, which then processes the sound in ways that we can understand. Humans cannot hear all the sounds of different pitches. There are some sounds that only animals can hear. For example, dogs can hear very high-pitched sounds created by dog whistles, whereas humans cannot. Sound can be used in many cool things, such as navigation. Sound is used to measure the depth of oceans. There is a device called the sonar that sends sound waves and determines the amount of time taken for an echo to be heard. If it takes too long to hear an echo, it means the ocean is deep. If the echo is heard quickly, it means the ocean has less depth. Sonar can be found in submarines. Like what you've learned? Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more future content.